In the 1920s, the state of New York needed a solution to alleviate overcrowding in its asylums located on Long Island. As a result, construction of the Pilgrim State Hospital was commenced in 1928. Now, more than 75 years later, take a stroll through its abandoned hallways and wards. See the morgue of what once was the world's largest hospital, with its autopsy table sitting idle collecting dust. Stroll through and in a neighborhood of houses and apartments built for doctors and psychiatrists that now lay abandoned. See historic remnants of buildings that were renovated. This is the last in the Forgotten Wards series and excellently completes the saga of the Long Island State Hospitals.